Just give me 2 minutes, then we'll start. 2 minutes started. All of you online guys, before going to start the session, please provide your mail IDs and phone numbers under chat box. Please give me your phone numbers and mail IDs in chat box, please. Yes, right. So before going to start the session, I would like to introduce myself first of all. So my name is Sreedhar. So I have a total 9 years of experience in complete BI process, business intelligence process. I involved. So my career started with Informatica and Teradata. And then after I'm involved in different databases like SQL, Oracle, Teradata, DB2, like this, then I involved here in different databases with the business intelligence process. That is myself brief hands-on experience. According to the teaching experience from past 5 years onwards, I'm representing the batches from Vinay Technologies. The multiple batches so far completed with many students, and they got jobs in pure SQL part also with combinations, and with pure SQL also they got job. Right. So this is my self brief, and today and tomorrow both 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. we have a sessions, demo sessions. Demo session is there. So free. Okay. So today we'll talk pure theoretical part. Tomorrow we go for practical one. We'll see practically tomorrow. So how this SQL part is important. Today, my concern to explain here, I would like to be explained today. These are all the topics. See the topics. What is data and data format, data storages, and structured data presence in databases, on-premises and cloud data storage, database providers and products, SQL overview, what we need to learn in SQL part as of the developer. Any developer or you are a application developer with .NET, PHP, Django, okay, or else if you are a Power BI developer or ETL developer, ETL tester, whatever it is. So SQL is a mandatory anywhere you go in IT, except HTML front-end technologies, wherever we go. So must and should we have to use here, must and should we have to be used, definitely SQL part. So backend level SQL part is required. Backend SQL part is required here. All of you, before going to start this one, online guys, please share your mail ID along with phone number. Somebody are providing 8 numbers only, 8 or 9 numbers, and please provide your mail ID along with the phone number, then only then you will get. So today's session and basic fundamental content to understand more about this SQL, to understood more about the SQL part. Right. So first of all, before going to talk about SQL, we should know here, these are all the topics. SQL is a language. Before going to learn the language, first we should know about the basic fundamental awareness is required. What is data and data formats? Yes, if the data is not there, then we don't require any kind of SQL. So first we need to talk, first point is what is mean by the data. Data is nothing but this collection of information. What is mean by the data? Data is a collection of information it is. So what is mean by the information? If we are saying something about chair, chair is an object, chair color, chair manufacturer, weight, so model, or else laptop, laptop manufacturer, color, model. So if we are saying anything about object, that is we call it as a information it is. For example, take Aadhaar card, Aadhaar ID, Aadhaar name, Aadhaar location. So date of birth, what is this? This is all information about one person. So that is the card information. That is we call it as a data. Collection of information or unit of information is called as data it is. That is we call it as a data. Maybe the data in different formats. Sometimes it is a numerical format, Aadhaar number. So must and should. Aadhaar number should be populated numbers only. So for how many members? N number of members. 109 crores of people are there. For all people, it should be numerical format only. So the Aadhaar should be, number should be in numerical format. Aadhaar name should be in characters only. Sometimes we are taking images. See, selfie. We know very well. Daily we are doing that one. Right? Right. So what is this selfie? Selfie is also explain something. It is also describing something. Today, if you are taken a snap, yes, after 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 1 year, then we can see what happened today. How beautiful I am, we can see after 2 years, 3 years, 4 years. Yes, image that is also describing, that is also the data. Today, if you are taking one video, yes, after later 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, then we can recap it. So this is also the data. What is the meaning is the data is in the world in different formats, numerical, character, or date, right, wrong. So or else a video, audio, image. See here, this is all the data format it is. So any format, whatever format it is, if you are collecting something, information, that is called as data. That is, we call it as a data. Collection of information, we call it as a data, it is. Right. So, but it should be in three formats: structured, unstructured, semi-structured format. Whatever data it is in a world. So every data should be come under only three categories only, either a structured data or unstructured data or a semi-structured data. Structured data means, see, whenever the data is presented in the format of, see here now, in a tabular format. If it is in table format, employee ID, employee name, how we are going to be arrange the data, the data we are going to be arranged in a table format, right or wrong? For every employee, then we are not going to be write employee ID. Employee ID equal to something and something. One time we are going to be define employee name or employee location. Number of employees 1, 2, 3, and so on. N number of employees we can go and we can define like this in a tabular manner. Right or wrong? So it is a structured data. It is in a format of table, rows and columns. How it was arranged in a rows and column. Aadhaar number or employee number. N number of employees will populate the number is same way. Aadhaar number 109 crore of people. All people should populate the Aadhaar number in a numerical format only. Whenever if it's a numerical format, so it should be arranged in column level. We can arrange fixed data. This data type is fixed data type. This type of data then we can arrange in a table format. So only fixed data type only then we can arrange in a tabular format or a table format. One more is there, unstructured data. It is unstructured. Unstructured data then we can't arrange in a table format. It means a pure unstructured it is. So suppose for example, take Facebook data. See this one, WhatsApp, Facebook, and Twitter. So like this, data presented. If it is a Facebook data, then we can't arrange in table format, right or wrong? If it is a pure Facebook data, it is, then we can't arrange in tabular format, right or wrong? Suppose Facebook, I have a account, 500 members are there, friends. If you are asking me what they will post next hour, then I can't say. They can post anything else, or either a text, or either a video, audio, image, whatever they want, they can post it. They have a right to post anything else. They have a right to post anything else. That is what. So here, then see, we don't have a chance to guess what they will post next. This type of data, what is the meaning of this is, the data is frequently changing, type is frequently changing. Sometimes it is coming in image, sometimes it is coming in audio, sometimes it is coming in video format. So once the type of the data type is changing, then we can't arrange the data in tabular manner, table manner. That is what we call it as unstructured data. Semi-structured, sometimes it's coming in tabular format and sometimes it's coming in so unstructured format. Structured plus unstructured format, it will come down. Right? Okay. So, but if it is a structured or unstructured data, so where we can store this one? Why we need to store this one? See, data, if we are not storing, data means today what is going on. If we are not going to store anywhere else, then we can't say what happened previous, what happened yesterday, or what happened 6 months back. If we don't know what happened, then we can't say what needs to be happened. Then we can't say what needs to happen. It is clear. So that is what. First of all, what we required is what is going on today. Yes, some employees are joined. We are paying for them salary, or else I have a simple shop is there, superstore is there, superstore. Somebody are coming to my store and they are purchasing something. If I want to recap this, how many members are coming daily, what they are purchasing, I want to see later, after 1 month or 2 months. Then it's never ever possible to remind by mind. If it's a Pani Puri bundle, suppose for example, yes, of course, that is also the business. We can remind by mind. If it is a small business, yes, by mind we can remind. Or if you take a bank in one branch in one city, how many transactions will happen? Lakhs and lakhs. Throughout the city, throughout the country, throughout the world, in one bank, how many transactions will happen? We never say this. Within 1 hour, trillions and trillions of records will be loaded. Right or wrong? These are all, if you want to remind by mind, it's never possible. It is. That is what they are depending on the systems to store their data. What is going on? Yes, if they are not storing what is going on, then we can't say what happened. 3 questions always will raise. What is going on? What happened? What needs to be happened? So see here, for example, Aadhaar cards. Take the government is providing Aadhaar cards. How many? 109 crores of Aadhaar cards are there. If they are not storing this information anywhere else, then again, then I can create one more Aadhaar. Right or wrong? So each and every person can create multiple Aadhaar cards. If the duplicate is generated, yes, illegal activities are going on. So mismatch it is. Then we can't control this one. That is what? Somewhere else, any data it is, whatever data it is. So smooth if you want to organize, then what we required is, then we had to store our data in somewhere else. We had to keep our data in somewhere else. Clear? So that is what, where we can store our data, wherever we are keeping the data, wherever we are storing our data, that is, we call it as a data storage. Data storage according to the system. Yes, 20 years back, 30 years back, we don't have a system, right? Wrong. 30 years back, we don't have a system. It's a manual process. It is. They are going to be stored manually in books. It's a very difficult to be controlled. Or if they want to analyze the business, it's a very difficult. It is. It will take a lot of time to analyze this business. That is what, whenever the system came securely years and years and years, nowadays, we can store our data in one place, not only storage, lot of things we can do it. See here now, majorly here we have two different systems are there. To store our data, we have here two different systems. What are those? See here now. One is file stream, files. Then second one is database. First one is file. Yes, we can store our data in file format. File format. Nowadays, lot of file formats are available. So many file formats are available nowadays. Document, DOC, Excel, and PDF, and then FROT, JPEG, image file. So chosen, XML. See, these are all file formats. Advanced file formats available nowadays. If you want to store, just you can go and you can store here doc, DOC, document format. Yes, our CV, resume. I want to store my resume. Yes, 10 years, our experience completely, then we are going to be load in document format or else in PDF format. 5 years, 10 years total. So where we are doing, we are going to be exposed in PDF in 4 or 5 pages. Yes, so-and-so experience, so-and-so projects, and so this was the technologies, exposure knowledge, our skills. These are all we are going to be included. Yes, of course, that is also the data. It is describing something. Then image. Yes, image is also data it is. Today, if you are taking a snap, yes, then tomorrow, then we can see. Or else later we can see this one. This is also the data. JPEG is also the data. See, file format, we can store it. Simple. Excel. Yes, I have a simple storage there. Small shop. So some products we are selling. I want to track this business daily. What is going on? Daily, then how many people are coming, what they are purchasing. Manually, then I am typing in Excel. After 2 months, then I can see how many people came into my shop and what they are purchasing. So if I understood that, then I can analyze what needs to be improved here. Yes, daily. So here, somebody are coming daily, they are purchasing milk packets. Lot of milk packets are selling in my shop. Then what needs to be done? Improve this product. Okay, then automatically the business will grow. That is meant by the analysis. How it is coming analysis based on dependent previous data. If I understood the previous, yes, then we can go for the future. If I want to understood the previous, then we need to record what is going on. These are all our correlation. We have in a correlate. Okay, so and see files initially, but here both are disadvantages and advantages, both are there. Files copy, yes, if it is a file system, then we can copy easily, copy and paste, right or wrong? Somewhere else we can copy and we can paste it into file. Means storage is very easy storage. And also, so easy move, one place to other place. If I want to move the file, one place to other file, if you want to move the file, so then easily then we can move it. Simple, copy, paste. And what is the disadvantage means? Huge data, not huge. If we are having huge data, for example, Excel file, take Excel file. So Access Bank, take Access Bank. Each and every branch we are providing one Excel. How many Excel sheets are required for throughout the world? Crores of Excel sheets are required to maintain a data. It's never ever possible it is. Somebody is coming from US. I want to see this bank details from 2 years bank statement. Somebody is coming from India and he is looking for 3 years bank statement. So how many Excel sheets they need to be verified? It's never ever possible it is. So it will take a lot of time to get back again the data. Okay, and data retrieval is slow here. Data retrieval is very slow. Then after, and relation is also not possible. One file to other file, yes, we know, but we can't physically, we can't relate one file to other file. So we can't relate one file to other file, then we can't relate it. See here, this file to this file, if you want to relate, it's never possible it is. It's never possible it is. So then they are introduced to overcome this databases. Database is nothing but it is a tool. So somebody else are providing for us to maintain the data years and years and years in one place. In one place, huge volumes of data, years and years and years. If you want to be maintained, or if you want to store, then we can go and we can use databases. Pure we can use databases, we can use it. Database is a product for what means to organize the collection of data. Database is an organized collection of data in views, tables, procedures. So in different objects, we can store our data. So in an organized way. Years and years and years. keep on, we can load our data into databases. How? Not in unorganized manner, in organized manner. Yes, in a beautiful way, then we can go and we can arrange the data in databases. Right. See now, then go and see here. So database is a tool actually. Like, for example, bikes. So many bikes are available, right or wrong? Lot of bikes. What we can do it? We can travel one place to other place. With bike, two-wheeler, we can travel one place to other place. So by using bikes, but lot of bikes, lot of manufacturers are providing bike. BMW, Harley Davidson, Royal Enfield, Honda, Hyundai. So like this, so many bikes, Yamaha, so many manufacturers are providing bike. Bike is same tool it is. We can travel one place to other place, even though if it is Royal Enfield or BMW, we require a road. Otherwise, it's not going to be flight. Bike is not going to be flight. Yes, must and should be required a roads required. Any bike it is. So, but here see, one body requirement is, one person requirement is, they want to participate in racing with bike and he purchased Activa. Why? How? Yes, of course, Activa is also bike. But it's not right tool it is to participate in racing. You need to purchase sports models, Yamaha, BMW, like that. Right or wrong? Yeah. So, but one body requirement is mileage. Money is not a matter, mileage is the matter. And you want to travel office to home, home to office. And he is going to be purchase BMW bike. And how the BMW bike is provided mileage, hardly 3-4 kilometers only. So as for the requirement, whatever we want, then we can purchase and we can use it. Lot of bikes are available. But see, in a city, Hyderabad city, or some cities, lot of bikes we can see, Activa, 5Z, 4Z, 6Z. Why? I only the customers, most customers are going to purchase this one means. So based on the requirement, yes, this one is going to be suitable for more customers. Same way here also, IBM, Oracle, Teradata, Microsoft, Snowflake, MongoDB, so MySQL, PostgreSQL, see here. So like this, so many vendors, these are all our providers, companies are there. Each and every company, they are providing for us to use or to organize your data or to keep our data years and years and years. They are providing the databases, Sybase, DB2, Neteja, Informix. Okay, these are all IBM products. Then Oracle database, Teradata database, Microsoft database, Access and SQL server. Okay, Access and SQL server. Whatever you want, then we can purchase and we can use it. Snowflake, or if you want Oracle, then go and purchase the Oracle and use. So we need not to manufacture it. Then go and purchase this and use. So these are all our familiar databases. These are all our familiar databases in world. And once if you purchase the database, but if I want to communicate with server, here, yes, purchase. So I purchased, for example, I purchased a bike. Bike I purchased. Once if I want to use the bike, the required driving is required. Driving is mandatory. If I don't know the driving, how can we use bike? There is no use of purchase. Same way here also. Direct with database, then we can't speak. Database can't understand our Telugu, Hindi, Tamil, English languages. Database only understood SQL. Anything else, if you want to intimate or if you want to request the server, then we require SQL is a language is required. SQL is a structured query language. It is structured query language for what? For to speak with databases. What databases? We can speak here with Oracle, Sybase, Microsoft, so Access, Ingress, Teradata, all. If you want to speak or if you want to send any request to the database, then what we require, SQL is required. Initially, they call it as a SQL. So initially, they call it as a SQL. It is. Okay. Now, SQL, see here, and IBM Corporation is included the SQL in ANSI standards. Then now we are calling, they are converted to SQL as structured query language. SQL it is. Before it is a SQL, now it is SQL. Clear? So this is this required. If you want to say yes, I want to insert the data or get back the data or delete the data or update the data or modify the data. Anything if you want to say to the database, then what we require is SQL part is required. SQL is a very mandatory skill. It's a very mandatory skill. Even though if you are any language expert, C, C++, Java expert, or else BI, Power BI, or ETL, or reporting. Any developer you are, any developer. So must SQL is required. Structured query language is required. Must and should. Structured query language. First 10 minutes, they are going to be asked the questions in SQL only. Then after they will come down for your Power BI or Java or Python and all. First in SQL they will test. Why? Because most of the case the data will be presented on databases only. So most of the cases, 90%, the data will be presented on databases. That is what the database, how to speak with the database we required. How to speak with the database, then that is very required. So this is the part. At least we required intermediate knowledge, exposure knowledge in SQL. This is what we are going to discuss about SQL part. So in deep, we are going to be discussed here in SQL level. So who are not shared so far, your mail IDs, phone numbers till. Please share your mail IDs and phone numbers. Who didn't share your mails and phone numbers till. Please share your mails and phone numbers under chat box. Then only then you will get online guys. So content and documents. So we are going to be cover here. See here. So this is we are going to be covered. It will take 30 to 35 hours. It will take. Daily 1 hour session. Monday to Friday. See here. 30 to 35 hours. 35.
Sir. Hello.
1 second, please. So after finish, then I will give you the time for your doubts. Daily 1 hour session. Monday to Friday. So Saturday, I will give you, it's optional or depends. So based on dependency, then we'll go and we'll take the session. Okay, or else otherwise, then I will give you the practical session it is. Then after project near real time. I will provide. Okay. And complete here you will get materials, live videos, practical sessions, FAQs for interviews, all then you will get it. And then after our preparation, resume. If you want to resume preparation, then I will give you the resume preparation also. So it's a more than enough if we are completed 30 to 35 hours. So whatever if here we are going to be provided, that is a more than sufficient to crack your interviews or to attend your interviews or for to work on enterprise level. So like 4 years experience. So 4 to 5 years as an experienced guy, then this course is sufficient. So whatever we are going to be provide, that is you have to be used properly. Once if you use properly, definitely then you will acquire the good knowledge. So this was my number. If you want to talk with me, any about your doubts or personal career information, if you want, then you can call me directly. Okay. So then this is the way the lectures will continue. It's a fixed timing, 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. it is. So tomorrow also we have a second demo tomorrow. Tomorrow at 8 a.m. same time. Same time we have demo tomorrow. Yes, this is the way then we can go for this lectures. Yes, online guys, one by one. If you have any queries, please raise.
Hi, sir.
Yes, Pash. Yes, please.
Sir, actually, I am not IT background, but I want to learn from basics to advanced level.
No
In
worry.
30
Yes,
Okay.
in 30 to 35 hours, this course is planned for. So all people.
Okay.
Yes.
It is enough for
probably-
30 to 35 hours to complete the course from advanced to advanced level.
Yes, exactly. That's enough.
Okay, thank you, sir.
And here, most probably 70 to 80% are coming from the non-technical backgrounds. And slowdown will go from end to end. So scratch to advanced will go slow. Okay. And these
Okay,
are
sir.
enough.
Thank you.
Anything else apart from this Mujamil, Syed?
Actually, I have a question like, can you start the server? Can you start the classes half an hour before? Because my office timings are clashing.
Oh, your timings you are asking, right?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, okay, no problem. And I will verify with the management and we'll check it out. And tomorrow we have a demo anyway, 8 to 9. After that, then the regular sessions will see that timings.
Tomorrow I cannot attend because
Yes,
like
no problem. Then you can go with demo. I will share with you today. Then please provide your mail ID and phone number. Then
already.
tomorrow's video also I will share with you. Then after the confirmation, then you can speak with the management and they will call back. They will
Okay.
call
Thank
you.
you.
Okay, then you can speak with that reception.
Thank you. Thank you.
Anything else apart from this? Rana, Santosh, Shiva, Vijay, Vishwa, Suhas.
Sir, is there any batch after 8 o'clock?
After 8, there is no batch now, and it will take time. Present, we have 8 to 9 only. 8 to 9 slot is there.
Okay, sir.
Hello. Hi, sir.
Yes, please.
Yeah. So actually, do we need to download any separate softwares and application?
No worry about it. Then everything, then I will let you know in regular session how to install, so how to download the tools and all.
Okay, sir. Actually,
Everything I
I
will
will be
provide.
using, I mean, like my working laptop only,
Okay.
office laptop, since my personal laptop got damaged.
Mhm.
So that's what, in case of if I wanted to download any specific applications or tools, then it's
No
difficult for
problem.
me.
It's no worry about it. You can do it in your office laptop also. It's a open source. It is. It's not a
Okay.
it's not a cracked tool. It's a open source from the Microsoft Corporation only. The
Okay.
database is provided by this corporation only. Don't worry about to be installed in your mission, office mission also.
Okay, sir. Yeah. Timing is okay for me. So Saturday, will there be any classes, sir? Or because since Saturday,
Saturday, then I will give you the practical document. Then to be practice yourself, you have to be practice that.
okay.
And
Friday,
sometimes
Saturday,
if you are
Sunday,
missing any
Sunday.
sessions on regular days, I will take on Saturday.
Okay, sir. Yeah. Because I mean, like Saturday and Sunday, usually I will be on office trip. So that's what those 2 days would be slightly difficult for me to join.
Yes. No worry, no worry. Saturday, Sunday, then most probably. So this is a complete practical session only. I will pass the documents. The documents then you have to be submit on Monday.
Okay, sir.
Sorry, sir. I
Will
have
we
one
get?
more. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Yes, one by one, please.
Can I continue if you don't mind?
Yes, please.
Yes, please.
Okay. Actually, I want to ask that this will be like MS SQL Server management also, or it's just only for like open source MySQL only?
Yes. Open source it is MS SQL, Microsoft SQL.
Microsoft SQL, you'll be teaching Microsoft SQL administration, all those things, only just SQL only.
No. Microsoft SQL Server database.
Okay.
SQL is different. SQL is different. SQL Server is different. SQL Server is a tool.
Okay.
Database it is.
So
So
you'll be
that
teaching this.
that tool, if you want to speak, SQL is required.
Okay. Thank you.
Sir, last question.
Sir,
Will
Yes.
we
one
get the
question, sir.
recordings on daily basis?
Well, yeah, we'll provide the recordings. We'll provide the recordings, daily basis, whatever we are discussed. So after the class, 1 hour after class, within 1-2 hours, then you will get daily videos.
Okay. On
Your mail
which
address.
okay, on drive only we will be receiving that, sir.
Yes, only in Drive, and you can't download it.
ठीक है. Yes.
Sir,
Thank you.
can we come and practice there in the institute, sir?
Yes, you can come down the institute.
If there is a
Institute
doubt,
having the big lab is there, and it's available morning 8 to evening 8. Anytime, then you can come down and you can practice multiple students. So daily they are coming and going, and you can see in lab almost 25 to 30 people daily.
if any is there in doubt, who will help them, sir?
Yes, I will help you. Don't worry about it. Then after the confirmation, I will give you my personal number, and you can hit me anytime.
No. When I'm practicing in the class, does any tutor out there available to clear our
Yes,
doubts?
yes. Then trainer is there.
Okay. Thank
He
you, sir.
will give you the clarifications.
Very nice demo, sir. I have attended a few demos in other sessions also, but this demo is very interesting.
Thank you. Thank you, guys. Thanks for to attend the demo today. Then we'll connect tomorrow, same time.
Sir, last one small query.
Yes,
Will
please.
these classes also continued on online? Because I'm joining from Bangalore.
No problem. Anywhere else, online, offline, parallelly, it will run.
ठीक है. Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Very good. Thank you, guys. Thank you, all of you. Have a nice day. We'll connect tomorrow, same time. Within 1-2 hours, then you will get the mail from me and about content and this video session and recorded video, basic fundamental content to understand more about the SQL part. I will share with you, and please follow that today. Tomorrow, then we'll see the practical implementation of this SQL part. Thank you, all of you. Have a nice day.